there. So we will use for the injector 1, the PI multiplier is 0.3 and 3 star means that everything will be perforated interval X and Y and Z direction will be skipped, will not be set. And then well production, this is the setting. So let's compare it with the data set. So this one for injector 1, start with shut-in, controlled by bottom hole pressure, surface flow rate 6,000 and 12,000 as the upper bottom hole pressure. And yeah, everything here as our constraint is actually taken from this. So yeah, that's the thing. And you can see here we have alternating water and gas injection. So we start with at 2000, we inject gas for 1 year. And then in January 1st, 2001, we inject water. The keyword is WAG CO2 for well injection. The injector is inch 1. And then 2002, we inject gas again. 2003, water again. 2004, gas again. Next year, water again. Gas again. The next year, water again. So that's the thing. It's quite easy. So alternating water and gas injection is not very complicated. It's just, changing from water and then to gas, water again, and to gas. The control mode is the same based on bottom hole pressure, and the upper limit for the bottom hole pressure the same, 12,000, and the flow rate also the same, 6,000. And I can erase everything here, 2001 to 2007, the setting. So the only thing that will be applicable is the last time step, which is this one. At year 2000, so I will only inject gas throughout the operation. Or I can also, maybe I should show you this one. So if I open this one, I mean change it to water, and then I delete all the next WCON-inch, then the last rule or the last setting will be applicable. So this will be applicable till the end. Okay, that's the same thing if you use gas and you delete everything, then this last setting will be applicable for the rest of the simulation. We will only inject gas. But if you want to perform alternating gas and water injection, then you will switch from gas and then move to the next year. Here, water cycle, right? January 1st, 2001. Now you input water here. You write water. And then we move to January 1st, 2002. Now you come with gas again. 2003, water again. You don't need to shut the gas injection. You just put again the command, but with water, not with gas. And then gas, and so on and so forth. The setting for the water, I mean for the production of oil, doesn't need to be alternating. So we only have one setting here. In September 1991, we have this setting. So producer 1 will be open. This one will be the oil target. This one will be the liquid rate target, the upper limit. So you will not produce greater than 6,000. And this is the bottom hole pressure. And then we continue the next year. We maintain the same keyword, the same setting. Well, producer 1, status open, bottom hole pressure as the control mode, 3,000 oil rate, upper limit, and then 6,000 liquid rate, upper limit, and then the bottom hole pressure, lower limit. Because we use bottom hole pressure as the control mode, The most important thing is the 400, not the 3 or the 6,000, right? Because the setting will be based on bottom hole pressure. That's what we set here. You can also change it to liquid rate or oil rate if you want by changing the keyword here. So let's go to wconprod